Replacing an engine air filter feels like the safest purchase in car maintenance. It's a simple cardboard and paper part. What could possibly go wrong? A lot, apparently. In independent particle testing, the most popular filters on the shelf let hundreds of particles of fine dirt slip straight past. Into an engine they were supposed to protect. That dirt acts like sandpaper on your pistons and cylinder walls, slowly wearing your engine out from the inside. Today, I'm revealing the 6 air filter brands that can damage your engine, why independent testing proves it, and the 3 brands that actually protect your investment. By the end, you'll never buy the wrong filter again. Number 6. SuperTech. Walmart's budget line looks like a bargain, but here's what the data actually shows. Standardized loading tests show SuperTech fills up with road dust much faster than premium filters. At just 3,000 miles, it can be as restricted as a quality filter at 6,000. That restriction chokes your engine. Less oxygen means a rich fuel mixture, reduced power, and worse gas mileage. And when fine dust coats your mass airflow sensor, you get check engine lights and expensive repairs. The seal doesn't help either. Community teardowns show SuperTech uses inconsistent foam density around the edges, so it doesn't compress evenly against your airbox lid, letting unfiltered dust bypass the filter entirely. On top of that, the media is visibly thinner than OEM, so fine particles slip through as it ages. You're not saving money with a filter like this, you're creating problems. Number 5. EcoGuard. The raw filtration data tells a different story. In an ISO 5011 style lab test, EcoGuard allowed 491 particles to pass per gram of holding capacity. That's more than double what Wix allows at just 198. The root cause is a construction problem. Mechanics and DIY-ers have noticed the gasket is often too thin. One Kia owner confirmed it directly. The included gasket was definitely thinner than original equipment, warning that unfiltered air leaks through the gap if you don't swap gaskets. Fitment can be warped too. One Honda Civic owner reported the edges were slightly warped, so as they tightened the airbox cover, the gasket rippled and the filter slid around. A thin seal, warped fitment, and weak filtration. 3 strikes. Number 4. EP Auto. One of Amazon's best sellers. Thousands of positive reviews. A great price. It seems like the perfect choice. But here's the truth. Independent particle testing shows EP Auto lets roughly 2.5 times more dirt into your engine than a premium filter. That fine debris acts like sandpaper on your piston rings and cylinder walls, accelerating wear and leading to costly mechanical failures. The capacity problem makes it worse. EP Auto restricts airflow much faster than premium alternatives, causing rough idle, sluggish acceleration, and reduced gas mileage. And commercial fleet oil analysis backs this up. Used oil from vehicles running EP Auto filters consistently shows silicon levels exceeding 15 parts per million, a clear sign airborne dirt is bypassing the filter. You're risking accelerated engine wear to save a few dollars. Number 3. Fram. It's everywhere. Walmart, AutoZone, Amazon. You've probably bought one without thinking twice, but here's the problem. Fram advertises the ExtraGuard line as providing 2 times the protection of standard retail brands. Sounds impressive, until you dig into where that claim comes from. It's from Fram's own testing, not an independent lab. In real-world particle testing, the ExtraGuard line filters at about 95% efficiency for particles down to 20 microns. That sounds good until you realize premium filters often achieve 99% or better. That gap matters. A 4% difference means significantly more dust enters your engine over time. And in the same particle test, Fram allowed over 300 particles per gram of capacity. It won't destroy your engine tomorrow, but it won't protect it like the good brands will. Number 2. Beck Arnley. This brand claims to meet OE specifications for fit, form, and function, but the independent data tells a very different story. In standardized particle testing, Beck Arnley ranked dead last. For every gram of dirt holding capacity, it allowed 628 particles past the barrier, over 3 times more dirt than Wix at 198. The seal is a recurring problem too. One Jaguar owner reported the foam seal was 2 millimeters too thick, making it impossible to slide the filter into the housing. The irony? Beck Arnley positions itself as a premium OE quality brand. but real-world data shows poor fitment and worst-in-class filtration. If the seal doesn't fit and the media doesn't filter, what exactly are you paying for? The brand name. Number 1. AC Delco. Now we're talking about a brand millions of drivers trust without a second thought. That brand is AC Delco. This is an OEM supplier for General Motors. But that doesn't mean they supply you with an OEM air filter. AC Delco breaks their parts into two tiers. GM original equipment parts are the filters installed during production or validated by General Motors. Then there's the aftermarket line, the filters you find on retail shelves. And this is where things fall apart. Mechanics have cut these filters open, and the differences are shocking. On a Duramax diesel, the OEM AC Delco had 125 pleats, while the aftermarket version had just 75, 40% less filter media. More pleats mean more surface area, better filtration, and longer life. So if you're not buying the GM original equipment tier, the name AC Delco means nothing. Always check which tier you're getting. So those are the 6 to avoid: SuperTech, EcoGuard, EP Auto, Fram, Beck Arnley, and AC Delco. Each one fails a different test. Some clog too fast, some let too many particles through, one leaks silicon into your oil, another can't hit its own efficiency claim, and one simply doesn't have enough media. Now let's look at the 3 brands that actually earned their reputation. Number 3. Denso. If you drive a Japanese car, this is a name you should know. Denso is the world's #1 OE developer of HVAC systems, and they supply parts directly to Toyota and Honda. So when you buy a Denso filter, you're getting factory-grade engineering without the dealership markup. Their filters use a non-woven fleece material with up to 5 superfine layers, trapping pollutants and particles as small as 0.01 microns, more than 100 times smaller than diesel soot. And in independent dyno testing, a Denso filter topped the horsepower charts at 177 horsepower, beating filters costing up to $90. Japanese reviewers praised Denso for perfect fitment and reliable filtration, OEM-level engineering at aftermarket prices. Number 2. MAN. When it comes to German engineering, few names carry more trust than MAN. They supply original equipment to nearly every leading manufacturer, including Volkswagen Group, BMW, Mercedes-Benz, and Volvo. When you buy a MAN filter, you're getting the same quality that came in your car from the factory. Their air filters feature a 3-layer media structure that captures dust, pollen, soot, and water droplets before they reach your engine. High dirt holding capacity, low flow resistance, and excellent pleat stability. European car owners routinely recommend MAN as the best choice, noting perfect fitment and superior construction. One user with over 80,000 kilometers of use opened their engine and found everything blitz clean inside. As one customer put it, MAN's the OEM for Mercedes. It's the original filter, simply without the markup for the Mercedes logo. Number 1. Wix. This is the filter automotive enthusiasts and mechanics consistently rank at the very top. Wix filters are engineered for serious protection. Premium filtration media with a minimum efficiency of 99% contaminant removal, verified by independent ISO 5011 testing, with lab results consistently showing at least 99.5%. The build quality is impressive. Wix filters contain up to 30% more media than many OEM filters, and 9 pleats per inch provide exceptional surface area to capture more contaminants and extend service life. The polyurethane seal delivers high tear strength, surviving extreme hot and cold conditions. Forum users consistently praise Wix, noting it appears almost identical to OEM in build quality. If you want the filter that mechanics trust most for engine longevity, Wix is the clear winner. Before I wrap this up, here are 5 quick tips to get the most out of whatever filter you run. Number 1. Inspect the seal every time you change it. A good seal is the only thing standing between your engine and unfiltered air. Number 2. Don't clean a paper filter. Once it's loaded, replace it. Cleaning paper just pushes dirt deeper into the media. Number 3. Check the engine side of the filter for debris. If you see dust on the clean side, your seal is leaking and that filter needs to go. Number 4. Avoid oiled filters if you're not willing to maintain them properly. An under-oiled filter lets dirt through, and an over-oiled one coats your mass airflow sensor. Number 5. Never trust a brand name alone. As you've just seen, Even OEM names sell cheaper aftermarket tiers. Always check what you're actually getting. So let me know in the comments, what air filter are you running? And after seeing this list, would you still trust it? And next week, I'm exposing the cabin air filter scam, the one the dealership charges a fortune for, that you can replace yourself in under 5 minutes. Knowledge is power, especially when it comes to protecting your engine. Make sure you hit the like button. It really supports the channel.